We are going to be giving away one...
My name's Captain Skiddy Penis. And this is the walkthrough of the famous Lexus GS300. Baby! So this is Nathan's GS300 absolute shitbox.
It's not a shitbox though, is it? She's a viewer.
Get ragging it!
Woo! Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I know we've come back already. It's piss wet through. We've been out on scooters, just for a little fuck about. Brad spent half the time trying to land one trick and then it started raining, so we didn't really get any content, but we'll put it in because Brad's an idiot. Oh my god, Brad, just fucking... You've been trying that for like fucking 15 minutes, not just reading. So we've decided to come and do a quick walk around my Lexus GS300 that was featured in our first video. So this is my daily driver, and it's pretty standard, however, it looks pretty cool. Okay, so we'll do a quick walk around. So, 2JZ, VVTi engine, naturally aspirated, best of the best. You already know. We've got bird shade on the window.
Are we slating your car?
Okay, we're doing slating.
We're slating. No chrome trim.
Yeah, no, that's in the boot. I need to put that back on.
It's in the boot, yeah.
I need some super glue. We've got fake VSKF wheels.
You like your fakes though, don't you?
Oh yeah, man. Love fakes. They're filthy. It's bad as well.
No, Mummy's gonna be very angry with you. How do you drive like that?
Right, let's do a quick interior shot. So, we've got this lovely Etsy cherry blossom gear knob on an auto car. We're going to include some clips of this fucking going sideways. And he slid out! And there's fucking traffic, bro. Why is traction turned back on?
Yeah, maybe it's...
Shit, my camera's just gone flying.
Shit, whoa! Oh my god, she actually... I just filmed the bench. Fucking hell! She drifts. She actually drifts. Nice as well.
That was really comfy, actually.
Yeah?
I've never actually done that yet.
I mean, I've had us filming like that.
Didn't even film in the front, man.
He's currently checking his tyres after his drift session because he's a bitch. He's like, I'm gonna do all my tyres. On your tread bush!
We learned earlier that it goes sideways. And I don't know how it does because it's got an open diff and everything, but basically you just lock it in a low drive, turn traction off, send it. But you'll see what I mean. It's not great, but I mean, it's better than nothing, isn't it, I guess? Rear wheel drive and all that. But anyways, cool feature of this car, electric steering mush. Don't get that in your bloody VAG cars, do ya?
Yeah.
Do ya?
Heated fucking wing mirrors.
Heated seats, mate. It's a great car, to be honest.
Fuck off, that's Where is it? She, mate, is one dirty girl.
Fucking vile. You're a dick.
Dirty
oh mate, it
girl.
went everywhere, look, it's all there!
Girls love it when they spit that, don't you?
Lexi is a premium motor, mate.
Top G.
Bro, this is my Lexus.
No, it's not. I won't be someone zoomed in this. Two-tone Lexus. The two-tone skinny penis.
Oh my god. God damn!
Here at Westlands, we do the best cars in the West. Hang on.
We're in the east. We're in the east, mate. Brad's fucking.
Nah, not me.
Paint
That
was immaculate.
no.
Where are we?
Westlands. Alright, it's fucking loud! Calm down! Hey, look at that, no white smoke!
Was that day? I'd like to take a short break in this video to discuss the giveaway that we are doing. We are going to be giving away one t-shirt of your choice in any size, any colour, with 2 Sattire flight tags. Grab me one, please. One of these in black and red.
Even I don't get a free top.
All you got to do to enter this giveaway is share this video on your Instagram story, tag us at Sattire UK, then leave a like on this video, subscribe and leave a comment saying done. We will then discuss the draw in next video, which should be on Sunday, and then whoever wins will get free Garms mesh.
So Nathan's taking me down this sketchy ass road.
It's...
What are you gonna do to me?
You're gonna find out. I actually did come down here.
You've come, like come down.
You know what I'm saying?
Hello friends.
Beautiful.
It's Wednesday now. It's Wednesday, my dudes. You gotta do the scream.
That's great. I was looking at Sama down there. I didn't have mentioned it.
That's a little Easter egg on the car. So Adam, give me the rundown of what you've done. What's your cleaning method?
I've rinsed it.
Okay. There you go, kids. Subscribe and like for more cleaning content. Because Adam doesn't like being normal.
Just don't get too close.
Okay, we'll stay from here. It looks cool. He's gone. What is it? Neon green? Or is it highlighter green?
I think it's neon yellow.
Sorry, highlighter yellow. Yeah, they're still not yellow. Look at this. That's unique. That. What colour's Jack? Is Jack yellow and you're green?
Jack's yellow. This is luminous. No, this is Jack's yellow and this is luminous, fluorescent yellow.
Well, this looks like green.
Yeah, but on the can it says fluorescent yellow.
What are you doing today? I think Alex is going to be chief cameraman for the rest of the evening.
Yeah, I'm gonna poke a camera at people's faces.
Because someone doesn't have a license and.
We don't talk about that though.
Can we take you?
That was the best. Soapy montage incoming.
Has the camera got glizzy all over it?
Let me have a look. Good damn it. This isn't even snow foam, this is just pure watery shit. This is jack shit jet wash. Yeah.
I got the glizzy plug. Oh, I'm fucking scared.
Bzz.
I can see your hands, Vico. Oh yeah, man.
Wait, just get this on the camera. This is how bad of a jet wash this is. Hold the trigger.
Yeah, he doesn't use sperm. He just uses water on its own. Clean his alloys though, his alloys are new. His paint's just shit.
Yup.
What's that?
This is one of our long sleeve tees. Visual Virtue. Use
Reppin'.
Use Sattire 10 for 10% off.
Yeah, man.
What happens when you let me paint shit?
It's really good.
You need to sand it back though, yeah?
I'll sand you back. No, it's getting repainted in winter anyway, isn't it? They're giving away in the giveaway. You already know the giveaway, it's in the video. They look fucking bougie, don't they?
Yeah, man.
Always buy rep wheels because no one's got $4 grand to spend on wheels. You spend that shit on a fucking turbo, man.
Nice.
Until they fucking crack and then you die and full cars right off. But
actually, I got rep wheels and they bent 4 times.
Oh well, there you go. If you're sick of seeing rep wheels on a Supra, please like and subscribe so that I can afford real works.
Speak if you are gay. Ah! Where you from? What's your car?
What's my car? It's a shit box in there.
Let's have a look at your car.
You're like a fucking news presenter!
Fuck off!
Excuse me, what do you do?
Ah, there we go. Apparently you just had some new parts freshly powder coated.
No, it's all in the boot. There's some on it.
Look at that beauty. How come your rocker cover's not powder coated anyway?
How come what?
Your rocker cover's not powder coated.
Because I'm doing it a different colour. Just a little bit of a special colour, that's why.
That makes sense. Well, there'll be a review on that car anyway when it's done. I'm looking forward to it.
I've gone for bigger injectors. I'm going to get it freshly tuned next week.
These times are new, I think, this colours.
Yeah.
Do this plug into normal?
Yeah. Yeah, they just literally plug straight into the harness. So I've gone from the cheap Denzos to 640cc Bosch injectors now, so
Wow.
should be a lot better hopefully.
How much power are we going for?
About 300, something like that.
300 in a fucking tin can. They're becoming like a pretty standard swap for cars because they're so cheap, aren't they? And they're easy to boost.
Yeah, I'm just spinning up them as well. Got to make sellers. They're just
I think
really...
I might just put one in an SRT.
He had one, yeah.
Yeah, the grey one. Did the engine go or something?
Yeah, it like threw a rod out of every single fucking... There's literally holes all the way down it.
Well, Sam will...
Kieran, if you're watching, your car's fucked, lad.
Sam
Oh,
will
shit.
tell them another- Alright,
No, he's done it now. He's got a new engine in it.
This is the VVTi 1.8 though.
Stay tuned for MX5 swap test 13.
Sort all this out, so I just need to box all this in because obviously my exhaust comes through here, so I need to just bend that out, box it all in, close it all up. But obviously it's not a 5-minute job. So
And then you can get back to TIG welding for us all.
yeah, we'll see soon. Destroyer dies lower arms, so they do tube lower arms now.
Oh, that's pretty sick.
Yeah, they're good. Bit pricey, but
Have you got a discount code for the viewers?
I wish I did. It's such a better finish in the satin over the gloss, so that's like a gloss kind of finish. But I think it looks so much better in a satin, especially for suspension components and stuff like
Are you
that.
keeping them a spec? What are these? Are they rear?
These are my fronts.
Oh, they rear.
Yeah, they're rear. They're rear lower, these are front lower, so these are just my
Oh,
fronts.
fucking hell. Oh, they're already destroy or die, aren't they?
Yeah.
And they've just brought out these ones, have they? Do
He tapes everything up.
you want to give a shout out?
Yeah, Mark at Powder and Paint, that's the guy to go to. And obviously you need to take the hubs out and stuff like that. Obviously there's a bit of tape I need to clean up and stuff, but just everything, and obviously the hubs are absolutely fine.
Maybe we can sort out a brand promotion deal.
I doubt it.
Right. He must have started cleaning this at about 5 o'clock. Adam, we're off to docks, not fucking show and shine, lad.
Show and shine, this is the right thing.
Why are you washing it properly then? The generator's going to come on. loud as fuck. We're off to the docks to fucking see some idiots rag the cars up and down.
Got one of them.
I don't race this car. This car races me. we got Vico following us. Blow valve. I promise it's not air ride.
Oh, sorry, swap that back.
Yeah. Project car life, man.